getting an opportunity to visit the new Demerara Harbor Bridge that is still under construction, that is due to open the 4th of September, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The extension of a new bridge on the east side of the Demerara River, right beside Ramada Princess. This is the traffic congestion to get across the Demerara Harbor Bridge, so we just have to wait. We are on the Demerara Harbor Bridge going to the west side of the Demerara River, and to my left is the new bridge under construction, which we're hopefully going to get a tour of shortly. This is scheduled to open on the 4th of September, which is about, I don't know, 16, 18 days from now. And there's still 2 small openings that would be done very, very soon. That is the span where the ships would be passing under after completion. Right, so there, that's towards Georgetown. Is that right, Mark? That's pretty Georgetown side, right? Yeah. A pride, or the pride of Guyana, soon to be. Built by a Chinese company.
You made it up?
Yeah. Sorry, like Melly took another day off work.
She's just.
There's the bridge. More of the Demerara Harbor Bridge. Been in existence since 1978. It's been 47 years in service.
I think it's that bridge going to last for 200 years.
The new bridge is supposed to last for over 100 years. The bridge below the new bridge, it was constructed before the new bridge for them to transport material so that it could work on the new bridge. West side of the Demerara River, where we are going to enter onto the new bridge from this side to get a tour of it. New roundabout. Going towards the entrance to get onto the new bridge. Okay, so this is a construction entrance to the bridge that we are privileged to go through here.
Good morning.
Morning.
With Ministry of Public Works?
Yeah, city.
Okay. Okay, well, just put on a hazard for me, please, and, Chinese way to it.
How you doing? Smile. Nice smile.
Yes, okay. I got some people's comment out before. Just avoid the green, you know this?
Just try to
You
do
will
it.
go there and you turn. Okay, these guys with you as
Yeah.
well? Okay, please put on your hazard for me and proceed. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, so we just got clearance to enter the compound.
What rise is again,
Sign
man?
to go. It says go. The other one up ahead says go also.
Oh, the man got some serious sign up there.
Yeah, because vehicles coming in. dead lines.
Oh, we have turn here, right?
Yeah, this one. Making a left. Construction zone. One
Where
of the
we going
biggest
here now?
construction zones in Guyana at this time.
Where we are going now?
The new Demerara Harbor Bridge. Just keep going, I guess.
Move this out.
Still going through the construction zone to get to the bridge entrance. Can you read Chinese? Activities around the bridge that we're getting. Oh, we gotta come out?
No, keep the cow down.
Oh.
I come out the car.
So here's the crew that's going onto the bridge.
Comes to construction and design of this project, we have spared no cost.
Construction of the main bridge, the east and west approach bridges, the toll station, the ancillary buildings, and relevant E&F facilities, the beam fabrication and storage yards, material stock yards, rebar processing plants, concrete batching plants, and filler batching plants are set on both sides of the river. Two wharfs are leased for construction on the east and west bank. The construction of the main bridge and two approach bridges will be conducted simultaneously. To shorten the construction duration, the construction of the bridge is divided into two individual sections, the east and the west sections, separated by the closure segment of the main span of the main bridge. Besides the bridge itself, a new trestle will be built along the route of the proposed new bridge to assist in the construction of the new bridge. In addition, steel pipe piles and bailey beams are applied for the trestle structure, which is constructed using the fishing method from the banks towards the two main towers in the water, and it is split up between the towers to provide the main and auxiliary temporary navigation. Foundation construction. The underwater board piles are constructed using the steel trestle and the overwater construction platform. Steel casings are positioned and driven based on pile foundation setting out, with a reverse circulation drill deployed for construction. After the completion of pile foundation, brackets are welded onto the permanent steel casings. Cross members are erected and the bottom formwork is built for pile cap construction. The main bridge construction. After the pile caps are constructed, the concrete pillars of main towers of number P40 and number P41 are continuously constructed, section by section, using a stiffened framework combined with hydraulic climbing formwork. The maximum pouring height of each section is 6 meters. The lower cross girders are cast in place using supports. Segment number 0 of the girder is constructed with the in situ casting with a support system. The rest of sections are cast in place with the symmetric cantilever method, using guide traveling carriages with the stay cables erected and pre-tensioned simultaneously. Side stand closure is performed first. Then, the rest of unbalanced segments are cast in place with the single cantilever method until the bridge is closed at the mid-span of the main span. The approach bridge construction. transporting vehicles and directed by girder-erecting machines from both banks towards the main bridge at the same time until completion. The deck diaphragms, construction joints, etc. are constructed with the four-work hanging method, span by span. Deck and E&M works are carried out after the completion of the bridge structure. We commit to providing a safe, effective, and environmentally friendly construction scheme to ensure the successful completion of the mega project with high standard for the ease of transportation for residents and development of the economy of Guyana.
So he has some time to submit and to do training, right? But we're hustling.
Approaching the ramp to the new Demerara Harbor Bridge. I'm gonna post the details with him after.
Rain, boy, we get the rain anyway.
Oh, this is our drive onto the bridge. Hopefully the rain doesn't come.
He don't reach. We can't get a commode bridge to do anything.
That's if it rains.
It's raining there. It's still falling there.
Crap. Okay, so we're on the new Demerara Harbor Bridge. It's not yet opened, it's still under construction. Scheduled to open about, what is it, like 18 or 16 days?
So there's a bicycle lane.
Yes. So this is west going east on one side, and so good that they have a guardrail in the middle so that people don't bore the oncoming traffic like so many Guyanese do. Right, Mark?
Yeah.
Damn, the rain is here. Hey guys, get a view. Unfortunately, we're dealing with the rain. But this is a two-lane going from west to east. On my left is a guardrail that keeps the other side of traffic away from this side of traffic. Here comes the rain. You have it on and on. It's beautiful, unfortunately. The rain decided to fall. All the passengers, the driver, everybody is required to wear safety equipment, hard hat on the bridge. Crane is still up there.
Whenever I go up the tower, I go.
Oh wow, the rain has made it impossible for us to actually get to go up on that tower. What a view I imagine that to be.
Me too. That would be nice.
Without the clouds and seeing all around. Man. Guess it wasn't meant to be.
Mà thích là cái cổ mình. Mà đi mình nó hơi rời xong.
You gotta teach them how to board.
Because up on the tower of the top here, and also on top of the rail, and then up here, or because of the rail we came.
Oh shit, yung bigan yan.
Okay, so we had to turn back because of the rain.
No for him yet, but.
Going back down from the
Vậy cái xã dạng này thì sẽ đi next week. Anh coi anh bài. Coi anh bài nó cũng sâu.
make sure you don't have to go through the intro.
Yeah.
The construction area for the bridge on the western side of the Demerara Bridge. That's those buildings there. Is that a silo there or is that?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so an old silo, right?
No, Chinese side of why would they have?
Oh, probably for probably mixing cement. Unfortunately, the rain it is such that we cannot complete the store.
Bank.
More
Be a
of
fast
the
island.
Demerara Harbour Bridge.
No, but that was the Mary side.
That up to there you go, airport.
Video taken from the old Demerara Harbour Bridge. There's a new bridge up there, and the rain came down. We couldn't get up into those towers. They actually have an elevator in there
Coming back next week.
to take you up.
I'm going to put the tower up there. You don't tell me come next week, you come back.
Yeah.
Come back next
I
week.
tell you, right, if I stay next to the cover. Every weekend I want to have kind of little tour.
Must be, I don't know, I got accent. I could just tell them to book
So
me.
come after the seminar, though.
Yeah. Me done a thing 10 o'clock. You start me come to 11 o'clock. I tell them to.
I can carry on these man, take up pictures. Carry rain look like a diesel.
Oh, you going on
So
these?
when you pass Brother Brown, yeah, you know when you pass Brother Brown,
Yeah.
you know, just the corporate put down when you open there, I can park the vehicle there. You know, come on, I can carry on the
Oh, the rest.
and rain look like a diesel.
Yeah. Good.
I guess
We're
we're
gonna go,
get
but we're
lucky.
gonna let Carmel go home because he got pack up. We go pick you up 1 o'clock time. You take us the other part. I keep
There is
pulling
a
the
bridge
heat one
there.
all the time, man. That's
They keep turning on the heat.
yes. Don't pull the heat one. They think Mark big, you know.
You know the problem is because they come from Canada and it's always cold there, so they're accustomed to looking for heat. Isn't that true?
We're not operating, it's just
There is the highest part of the bridge. These cars keep passing and blocking my view. Send Mark out there to stop them. So it seems we're going to be a little bit lucky to get a chance to enter from the eastern side of the bridge to get to go up there. Hopefully the rain doesn't return. Relaxing in the hammock. Disappointed that the trip over the bridge did not materialize or completely materialize due to bad weather. Hopefully we'll try again tomorrow if weather permits. So at this point I'm gonna bring this video to an end. Hope you guys enjoy it and look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Take care, everyone. Be good to each other. Most of all, be good to yourself. Bye.